Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see assistant professor, associate and professor vacancies as well as the lecturer vacancies and non-teaching vacancies also from the multiple colleges and from the multiple departments guys. And out of the multiple colleges, here one college is the state university. And here the vacancies are there for the candidates who are having the qualification of graduation, post-graduation, okay, diploma, and without UGSNet or with UGSNet, without PhD or with PhD. So here the opportunities are there. So please watch this video until the end. You will get the lot of notifications guys. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the jobs and teaching faculty opportunities. So please like my video. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first college that we are going to see is the Synergy group of institutions from Bhubaneswar guys. That means from the two campuses here the vacancies are there. One is the Denkanal and second one is the Bhubaneswar. So it is approved by AICTE and affiliated to BPUT Odisha. And applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following teaching and non-teaching positions for our 2 units. Okay. So professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies in the civil department, mechanical, electrical, CSE, physics, English, mathematics and management. Okay, so it is Synergy BTech in Bhubaneswar as well as Synergy BTech in Denkanal. And the next one is lab assistant is required for civil, mechanical, electrical, CSE, physics and chemistry in both the 2 branches. Next, coming to the lecturer, mechanical, civil, electrical and mining engineer. So diploma in both the 2 branches. Next, lab assistant is also required for civil, mechanical, electrical, CSE, physics and chemistry for both the 2 branches of this Synergy college. Next, coming to the BSc college in Denkanal, lecturer requires for the physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, botany, zoology and geology, and the lab assistants are also required for the physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany, zoology and geology. And the student council is required, mobilization executive is also required, and qualifications and the salary as per the AICTE and as per the government of Odisha norms. Okay, so interested candidates may send their complete biodata along with the recent passport size photograph to the principal, Synergy Institute of Engineering and Technology, Denkanal, Odisha 759001. Or else you may simply mail your passport size photograph and resume with your necessary documents, if applicable, to the mail ID sietdkl@synergyinstitute.net within the 10 days from the date of publication. So if you are interested in this one, and if you are having the diploma or post-graduation or BTech, undergraduation, graduation, okay, without UGSNet or with UGSNet, without PhD or with PhD, then you are having the opportunity guys. If you belongs to these departments, any one of these departments, simply send your mail, send the mail by attaching the resume, necessary documents and the passport size photograph. Okay. Next, coming to the second college that I am going to show you is the TJ Education Society guys. So it is some college name is very big, so please have a look here. It is a college of commerce. Okay, and Sheikh Jayantilal. Okay, so college of arts. So from Thane, applications are invited for the following posts from the academic year 2021 to 22. So assistant professor, subject is BMS, total 12 posts are there. Assistant professor BSc IT, 7 vacancies. Assistant professor BCom, banking and insurance, total 6 vacancies. And assistant professor BCom, accounting and finance, total 3 vacancies are there. So above posts are open to all the categories. Okay, however, candidates from any category can apply for the post. And reservation for women will be as per the university circular guys. And the candidates having knowledge of Marathi will be preferred. That means they are not telling that Marathi language is mandatory. If you know Marathi, then you will be preferred. Qualifications and pay scales, everything as per the UGC norms guys. Okay, so applications who are already employed may send their application through proper channel, and applicants are required to account for breaks. Okay, and application with full details should reach the principal and this mentioned college address within 15 days from the date of publication. So this is university approved advertisement. Okay guys, so here the assistant professor vacancies are there for the BMS subject IT, commerce in banking and insurance, and accounting and finance guys. Okay, so if you belongs to any caste category, then you may apply here. Okay, so please once visit the official website of this college. Okay, but because here they did not mention any mail ID, they just mentioned the address here, and here the pay scale is as per the UGC norms guys. So if you're having the post graduation with UGC net, you will be fine. Okay, and next coming to the college is Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University. So it is a state university guys. So in this university you may check down here walk-in interview for lecturer basis faculty session April to July 2021. Click on this one, then you will be directed to this PDF guys. So here walk-in interview for the faculty on lecture basis. So here only one department is there guys. So the candidates who belongs to computer science and engineering or computer applications, then you may apply to this one. So application on plain paper along with the recent resume and attested testimonial or certificate 2 sets from the eligible candidates are invited for the post of assistant professor purely on the lecture basis for academic session April to July 2021 at the Punjab Institute of Technology, Moga. And the interested applicants can submit application for below mentioned department along with the testimonials or certificates in the admin office, or else you may simply send by email director pitgbtvg@mrsptu.ac.in. And the date, time and venue of interviews 19th April 2021 morning 10 o'clock. Venue is the Punjab Institute of Technology, Moga, and TADA will not be provided guys. Okay, so it is direct walk-in interview. And how many number of vacancies are there also not represented here. So if you belongs to this department and interested in this university, then you may apply guys. Okay, so finally these are the three different colleges guys. So one is a university, and second one is a synergy group of institutions. So here the two colleges are there, two campuses are there. So this one, and next one is Seth Nanji Bhai College. Okay, so here the vacancies are this one. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide